Oo, dito. Ikaw yan. Ganun. Ganun, dito ka. Yan. Dito ka. Ayan. Yan. It's another wonderful day, guys. Nandito tayo sa World Trade Center for the 2026 Manila International Auto Show. Let's check out the new features at mga bagong models ng BYD. At mga murang car accessories. Kaya let's do this!
Let's do this and watch Tito Rich.
Let's do this and watch Tito Rich. Woo!
Alright, so let's do this and watch Tito Rich.
Let's do this and watch Tito Rich.
Let's do this and watch Tito Rich.
Guys, this is the 2026 BYD Seagull. Ayan. Ito yung pinaka-affordable 5-seater electric hatchback in the Philippines. Price from 898,000 pesos. Featuring 300 kilometers range. Approximate lang yan. Rapid DC charging at 10.1-inch rotating touchscreen. 4 to 6 airbags and a high-strength body. Serves as a stylish, safe, and efficient compact urban starter. So parang ito yung entry level, guys, na electric vehicle. Ito yung pinakamura. Ganda na ng gulong, oh, laki. It's a Radar 205/45 R17. Laki no? Parang pang 7-seater na MPV. Ang lalaki nga eh. Anong height niya, sir?
Ay, laki.
5'10"?
5'10" yan.
So almost 6-footer sila, sir, oh. Kasyang-kasya pa rin. At 5'11". 10.1-inch rotating touchscreen centered on the dashboard. This display supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. along with intelligent voice controls. Grabe, ang lalaki nun, no? Kasya pa rin. Kahit heavyweight. Compact yet practical ang interior, 3,780 millimeters long. Surprising yung space niya, guys, with rear seats that fold to provide 930 liters of luggage capacity. Natutupi pala tong rear seats. Convenience technology. Standard features include wireless smartphone charging, electric parking brake, cruise control, and automatic climate control. Murang-mura na to, no? For only 898,000 pesos, guys.
Alam mo yung technical?
Yes.
Dito daw sa bahay. Semi.
Tilting ba talaga, sir? Tingnan nga natin.
Ay, hindi.
Ay, then.
Hindi, rotating. Wala lang. Hindi lang nakakita.
Tilting nga.
Sorry, pwede po makilaan.
Sorry.
Thank you.
From point A to point B lang, pwede na. Parang parang isa lang yung interface eh. Sa doon high-tech?
Ay, ano ba nga? Bakasyon na. May mag-reverse.
Guys, this is the 2026 BYD Atto 3 Evo. Features significant update. Introducing the 800-volt architecture, optional all-wheel drive and faster charging. Price nito guys, around 1.5 million in the Philippines for the standard model. Key upgrades include massive performance boost, upgraded infotainment system, improved cabin storage, and enhanced safety, making it a high-value compact electric SUV. Sorry. Gulong niya guys, ang laki. Continental 235/50 R18. Pang pick up at SUV size na ang kanyang gulong. BYD design. Sorry. All-wheel drive and enhanced performance na ito guys. Top spec variant now offers an all-wheel drive configuration boasting of 449 horsepower and a 0 to 100 kilometers time of 3.9 seconds. Improved utility and storage na rin ito guys. Front trunk for extra cargo space and features more versatile redesigned center console. Ganda ng synthetic leather seats, speakers, daming speakers. Parang race car ang kanyang mga front row seats. Siyempre, merong sunroof.
For 2025 model, 175. So for the 2025,
Upgraded na rin ang infotainment and interiors. 15.6-inch infotainment system to guys with built-in Google services. 8.8-inch digital cluster. Yan. A column-mounted gear shifter and a heads-up display. Grabe, ang laki nito. Over na to. Parang naalala nyo yung 15-inch ninyo na TV nung unang lumabas yung mga LED TVs. Ganon kalaki guys. Siyempre sunroof. Grabe, very futuristic ang interiors guys. Price at 1.5 to 1.7 M. Pero fast charging na. So hindi na natin titingnan ng engine ito dahil walang engine to guys, puro battery lang to. Last look, this is a 2026 BYD Atto 3 Evo. Guys, this is the 2026 BYD Shark 6 High Performance PHEV pickup truck featuring a 1.5 turbocharged engine with dual electric motors producing up to 430 horsepower, 650 Newton meters of torque. It offers 100 kilowatts or 100 kilometers EV range, 800 kilometers combined range, 360-degree cameras, and a premium interior technology.
This is the pickup.
Legit na SUV and pickup na rin ang gulong nito, guys. So, 275, 55, R20. Ang laki. Shocks and suspension. Solid na solid, guys. So, so demo unit lang to, guys. Kaya maraming accessories na nilagay. DMO Super Hybrid Technology. Impressive electric range, guys. Isa ito sa pinakamalayo. 100 kilometers of pure electric driving, suitable for daily commuting without using fuel. Laki na rin ang infotainment system. Tachometer cluster. Malambot, ma'am, manibela.
Nakalak ko eh.
Ano? Pang off-road na rin to, guys. So 230 millimeters ground clearance. Yan, pinunasan pa ni Kuya, oh. Abot na abot nung map niya, oh. And 20-inch na ang gulong. 700 millimeters wading depth. So hindi mababasa yung battery pack ninyo. Ayan, nagcha-charge pa. Suspensions niya, guys, so parang suspensions talaga nun. Parang Ford Ranger Raptor level suspensions na nga ito, eh. BYD Shark 6. So vehicle to load capacity niya, guys, is 6 kilowatts V2L output, allows the truck to power external electric equipment and tools ideal for camping or off-road work. May ADAS na rin ito, guys. Advanced driver assistance system including adaptive cruise control and blind spot direction. .25-inch instrument cluster niya, guys, and a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Intelligent rotating touchscreen pala ang ano nito. Last look, this is the 2026 BYD Shark 6, a high-performance PHEV pickup truck featuring 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, dual electric motors producing up to 430 plus horsepower, 650 Newton meters of torque, price between 2.98 million to 2.2 million in the Philippines.
Hello guys, this is Kamsel from BYD. Please come and visit our booth until Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So we have here lots of units na naka-display. So go come check it out. Thank you.